The power of family, a message of hope for the Black community. There's a quiet strength in our community, a strength that has carried us through centuries, a strength rooted in family. For generations, our families were the heart of our neighborhoods, grandmothers, uncles, mothers, fathers, cousins, raising children together, shaping identity, culture, and hope. But over time, for many reasons, historical, economic, and social, the number of children raised in single-parent households increased. And let us be clear, single parents are heroes. They are doing extraordinary work, often with fewer resources and less support. But what if we could give them support? What if we, as a community, began restoring a foundation that gives our children the strongest possible start? When a child grows up with two loving, committed parents, everything changes. Not because one parent is enough, but because two adults share the load, the stress, the time, and the love. And the results are powerful. According to the Federal Reserve Survey of Consumer Finances, the median net worth of a white family is $188,200. For Black families, it is $24,100, a gap of $164,100. However, the median net worth of a two-parent, college-educated Black family is about $219,600. But the median net worth of a white single-parent family is only $60,730. That means when we look not just at race, but at family structure and education, Black families are not behind. In fact, they are far ahead. The wealth gap shrinks, even reverses, when our children are raised in strong, stable families. In school, the pattern continues. Black students are often compared to white students in statistics, and the gaps sound overwhelming. But when we look at Black students raised in two-parent households, the achievement gap narrows dramatically. Family structure is not just about money. It shapes confidence, attention, discipline, and aspiration. A child who wakes up every day in a home filled with love, stability, and expectation learns to believe in themselves. This message is not about blame. This is about building. This is about strengthening what already exists inside us. The Black community has always had the power to rise, not through rescue, not through saviors, but through family, through commitment, through love. Every child deserves a home where they are surrounded by people who believe in them. When we build strong families, we build strong children. And when we build strong children, we build a strong future. Together, arm in arm, generation to generation. The future is ours to build, one family at a time. This also means that we have to find ways for community to come together and support single-parent homes, so the children receive all they need to thrive.